Capabilities is Fernando, our yellow-naped Amazon. All right, well, Fernando has lots to say, so we're going to get him started. Pretty cheerful little guy. Now, his name might be Fernando, but we do often call him Nando. So tell everybody your nickname. Very important. Now, he's actually a pretty polite little bird. So Fernando has a question he asks every single audience. Very mumbled. How are you? Let's try that one again. All right, getting a little bit better, but the important thing is I see lots of smiles out there. Now, being a parrot, Fernando is playful by nature. Favorite game to play, I think you guys know this one. Does absolutely love to be tickled. Now, of course, when we're tickled, what happens? We laugh, and so does Fernando. It keeps them chuckling. Now, parrots are known for their ability to pick up on sound effects that they hear. So he has a few in store, picked up all on his own. The sound we make, we drink a nice cold glass of water. Very important to stay hydrated while on safari. And while we've had a cold in the past with cough, what did we sound like? Yes, these natural talents, we thought we would teach them some animal sound effects. So we started with the sound of a pig. Pretty rude, eh? Well, next up we have the adorable bark of a dog. Not a very threatening dog, that's for sure. He's obviously talented. His talents do extend musically, so he loves whistling, he loves singing, and he even loves to dance. All right, now he's gonna whistle. Keep in mind when he does this, he is making it up as he goes along. I never quite know what's gonna come out of his little beak, so I'll see what he has for all of you here today. Well, there you have a very lovely Fernando original for you all today. Okay, I'm happy to see you clap for his listening. Unfortunately, his abilities to sing are pretty limited to the fact that this little green bird had to learn to sing his favorite song from us. Yeah, it's not good, guys. Use your imagination, appreciate it from a bird, and just try not to sing, we actually sound like this too. So let's hear that favorite song. Okay, you know what? Maybe we need to tune him in first of all. Shall we tune you in, buddy? All right, there you go. Now we're ready to sing. I forgot to do that. That's right, a bit of our national anthem, of course. Now, there is over 375 parrot species, none native to Canada. But all the birds we've met here today, very proud to be Canadian. Let's hear that one more time. Beautifully done. Give it up for Fernando today. Well, here at African Lion Fire, we like to say that the first steps in conservation is education. So our goal is always you have some fun meeting birds. Perhaps you learn a thing or two today, all in gaining a better appreciation and understanding of not just our exotic parrot species, but yes, every single bird we share our planet with. You can truly find them everywhere you look. So come on down, have a better look, ask all the questions you have, but don't forget, around the corner in 10 minutes will be our bird of prey conservation's next presentation.